What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping in, don't forget to go down below and hit the subscribe button. We're over here at Preston's house today, and Preston's getting an early start washing his truck because it was pretty filthy from our last video. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get to washing my truck, so we're gonna cut to a quick time lapse of me washing the truck. And then we're gonna go ahead and get into today's video, and I promise you, you're not gonna wanna miss this one. It's gonna be a fun one. There's gonna be multiple trucks here, so stay tuned.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Fuck the ride like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know. Or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up on.
I don't go home the same way I fucking
Preston's over here making fun of me, but our buddy Rob and Ryan just showed up.
What's up, guys?
Oh, there he is. And he's got a second gen, so he's gonna go ahead and do a little walk around of his truck, and then and next video you'll see a walk around of his truck. So tune in for that video as well.
What's up, guys? This is Ryan. This is my 99 Dodge 24.